Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video we will guide you on how to stop automatic driver installation on Windows 10, 8.1 or 7. Actually, Windows automatically detects and installs new hardware drivers when you connect to your computer. However, due to some reason, if you want to stop this behavior of Windows 10, 8 or 7, it is possible through three methods, and I will guide you with all this. So first one is settings app that you can use on only Windows 10. Next one is group policy, and last one is through registrator. So let me start one by one. So first one is through settings app. For that, right click on this one start button and select here settings. Then click on this one system. Then click on about. On the right, under related settings, you will find system protection link. Click on this one, then switch to hardware tab, and then click on this one device installation settings button, and you need to select here no, your device might not work as expected, and finally click on this one save changes button, then click on OK. Close the settings app, and after that your Windows 10 machine will no longer receive any drivers updates. Next one method is through group policy. For that, click on this one start button, type group, and click on this one edit group policy. Then under computer configuration, double click on this one folder administrative templates. Next, click on Windows components, and finally select Windows Update. On the right, you will find a lot of setting. You need to search, sorry, not this one, this one. You need to search do not include drivers with Windows Update settings, and then double click on this one, and to disable drivers updates, you need to select here enabled option, then click on apply and then OK button. Then close the local group policy editor window and restart your PC once to block Windows 10, 8 or 7 from installing drivers automatically. And the last one procedure is through registrator. For that, click on this one start button and here type registry, then click on registrator app, and if your Windows prompts for user account control, then click on yes button, and then you need to copy and paste this one path from this video description, and after that click on enter on the keyboard. Then on the right of drivers searching folder, you will find search order config. Double click on this one dword, and here you need to set value data 0 to disable the drivers automatic updates, and if you want to enable drivers automatic updates, then you need to set value 1 here, and finally click on this one OK button. Close the registrator and reboot your computer once to apply these changes. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.